First of all, I need to connect this Wi-Fi. You can see I connected the same name as the LED screen. This one. The name is 00693. So I choose this one, and then I back to the app and add a LED screen here. And this is core. And I press the and next, so it will have this page, and then OK. So it shows the LED here. Then I just click this one and refresh something, so you can see the screen change. And if I change this one, and you can see there is a refresh as well. So this is done. Then if you want to use your own screen, you just add here and click. For example, you choose this one, right? So you choose edit and say anything. For example, hello. Here, please save and upload and start. It's done. So we back to the screen. We back to here and refresh connecting. So there is this one. So you can see there is the hello already.
Yes.
So this is the whole operation.